What makes Tesla's Plaid motor so groundbreaking? In this video, we will reveal the innovation powering the world's fastest accelerating production car. Before we dive into the video, listen to this important message. Did you know that 64% of US residents are overpaying for car insurance? We're offering you a free 2-minute check to see if you're paying the lowest possible rate. If you're overpaying, you'll instantly see discounts available for your vehicle without changing your policy terms. Visit AutoInsider24.com and start saving instantly. Now let's get back to the main topic. What makes an electric car so fast? Specifically, why is the Tesla Model S Plaid the fastest accelerating production car ever? The answer lies in Tesla's innovative electric motors and, to some extent, the battery pack. While we often discuss batteries, Tesla's advanced motors are equally fascinating. Let's break them down simply. Tesla, the company, is named after inventor Nikola Tesla, who created the induction motor. His work focused on electricity and magnetism. A key concept here is magnets. Magnets attract or repel based on poles, creating rotation when moved around an object like a compass needle. Electric motors use this magnetic force for rotation. Unlike permanent magnets, e.g., fridge magnets, Tesla's motors use electromagnets. By running electricity through copper, they generate a controlled magnetic field, enabling precise motion. Electric motors rely on electromagnets, where changing the flow of electricity changes magnetic poles. Inside an induction motor, the stator stationary surrounds the rotor spinning, creating a magnet within a magnet. By controlling electricity through copper coils in the stator, magnetic fields shift, pulling and pushing the rotor to spin continuously. Faster shifts mean faster rotation. The Tesla T logo symbolizes this motor design, a stator ring and a rotor slice. Tesla's innovation lies in refining this principle for unmatched efficiency and power. Tesla's Plaid electric motor is unique due to its carbon sleeve, which is a first in the industry. Normally, a rotor has a steel sleeve, but Tesla uses a tight wrapping of carbon fiber threads soaked in epoxy around the rotor. This method, developed under extreme tension, prevents the rotor from expanding or contracting at high speeds and temperatures, especially during intense centrifugal force. By keeping the rotor close to the stator, the magnetic force is maximized, contributing to the Plaid's exceptional acceleration and performance. The carbon fiber wrap on the Plaid motor allows Tesla to keep the gap between the rotor and stator extremely tight, maximizing the motor's performance by preventing expansion at high speeds. This enables the Plaid to maintain maximum power throughout its range, unlike previous Model S motors, which lose power at higher speeds. Sandy Munro's teardown of the Plaid motor revealed that Tesla uses the same inverter across all models, emphasizing production efficiency. The Plaid's inverter also features a unique fuse that ensures the motor stops instantly if something goes wrong. Additionally, having one motor per wheel eliminates the need for a differential, reducing energy loss and simplifying the system. The Plaid motor features a unique gear ratio of 7.54 to 1, which is different from the 8.996 to 1 gear ratio in the Model Y. And the motor stator is identical to those in other Tesla models for maximum production efficiency. However, the rotor design is significantly different. Tesla uses laminated car-shaped sheets to form the rotor's iron core, which is made up of 529 thin strips. This design, along with the carbon fiber wrap, enhances power and torque by 25%. The magnets in the Plaid's rotor are much stronger, requiring 151 newtons to pull a bolt away, almost double the force of a Mustang Mach-E S magnets and 30% stronger than those in the Model Y's dual-motor system.